We're in Chapter 2.2. Chapter 2.2, we're going to create a linear model based off of data. Okay. So what we're doing is we're creating straight lines. And the question becomes, how many points do you need to make a straight line? The answer is 2, right? Any 2 points, you can draw a straight line between them. Well, the same is true when it comes to math here, or at least it better be, otherwise the world's about to go sour. Okay. So I've got these two data points here, 0.26 and 512. So we're dealing with x and y. Okay. We have the general form of what a linear model looks like. Y equals mx plus b, right? So a lot of that in Math 70. Okay. Where m is defined as the slope and b is the y-intercept. Well, the y-intercept is defined as x is 0 and you're given some y. Well, we're not given that, so it's going to be a little bit harder. But the slope, remember, is equal to the change in y over the change in x. Okay? Where the change in y is just simply how y is changing. Okay? So we need to call one of these points point 1 and the other one point 2. Doesn't matter which one, it works out both ways, as long as you're consistent. I'm going to go ahead and call this one point 1, this one point 2. Okay? So what you do is you take point 2, subtract point 1, more or less, right? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so what's my y2? Well, that's my point 2. My y there is a 12. I'm going to subtract my y1, which is a 6. And that's over my x2, which is a 5, minus my x1, which is a 2. 12 minus 6, 6. 5 minus 2 is a 3. 6 over 3 reduces to a 2. So my slope is a 2. So y equals 2x plus b. Right? I'm part way there. I have my slope. But what I don't have is I don't have my y-intercept. That's alright. It's easy to find. All I have to do is plug in a point and solve for the unknown. So I'm going to plug in that point 2, 6. Okay? Meaning 6 goes in for my y. Okay? And I plug in a 2 for my x. Okay? So 2 times 2 is 4, so I've got 6 equals 4 plus b. Subtract 4, 6 minus 4 is 2. So my b is also equal to 2. Okay? So that would leave me with the equation y equals 2x plus 2. Okay? So that linear equation is the linear equation that includes those 2 points.